Hi all, welcome back in my channel. In today's video I make another Christmas card. This one is a bit more minimalistic with a lovely sitting polar bear in Christmas weather. I used a white card base and the whole card will have a burgundy frame. The circle of the polar bear also have a burgundy wavy frame. I cut it out from the rectangle. This is my technique to make the card lighter and save some paper. The meeting point of the checked and the white dotted paper, I used a thin burgundy washi tape, so if it's not perfect you can hide it, and it also decorate the card. During create this card I used double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive. The polar bear comes from a sticker sheet. To finish it, I put some sequins in the upper left hand corner and some checked paper in the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please support me with a like, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Have a nice season. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.